Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to increase the quality of your videos for free with Face Fusion. So when you open Face Fusion, you're going to come up with this window and this is the default settings you're going to get. So it comes with the face swapper by default. So you have to unclick this and then go for the frame enhancer. So when you click that one, there's going to be a little window of the frame has a model right here. So there's going to be quite a few models right here where you can choose anything. And this is the blend. So you can decide how strong you want to go for with this one. If you go for 100, it's going to be at the strongest. And for their performance, I suggest you click these ones as well for better performance. So, and this is where you upload your video. So when it comes to choosing a model, each of this has different performance. I like to go with Clear Reality 4x, and some people like different things. So I think it's best if you give this a go and decide for yourself which one you want to go with. Comes with this Pan King data 4x. This one doesn't give you the results. I have tried it. But this one, Clear Reality, it increases a lot. So yeah, that's all. Give it a go.